so we're tightening it up for now. Now the symptoms were, at 40 miles an hour, the car was juddering.
Oh God almighty. 50
and
like
even...
No, 50 it was actually undrivable. Literally, I thought I was going to have an accident at 50.
Yeah? Oh God.
Because it got so violently juddery.
So it's juddering violently, probably because the disc was heating up, and apparently the tyre, when he came off.
Yeah, when I came off and came back home, this tyre was red hot.
Good heavens!
And that's how.
Was it steaming? Was it?
It wasn't steaming. It was very hot to touch.
Very hot to touch.
And I went around. I went. Oh, is it because like when you're driving along, tyres get hot? And I went around and filled all the other tyres, and then they were cold.
They were cold, so it's purely down to the disc on this one. Right. The wheel got hot after about 40 mile an hour. Anything over 40 mile an hour.
Over 40 mile per hour, the car started jolting about.
Oh, did it? Yeah. So we're having a look at the. Oh, took the wheel off, and then we're looking at these calipers. Oh. Now, can you hear that? It's rubbing. It's rubbing, and there's no gap. So let's see what the other side looks like. So we're putting the wheel back on. We'd already checked the brake fluid, and there was no loss of brake fluid. For some reason, the brake pads have come on. So we'll compare this side with the other side.
No, because it was on.
And the brakes work fine.
Yeah, no, all the brakes in the car completely works fine.
Yeah, so it's just the fact it's rubbing. Wheelie. Right then, let's have a look. Is there any gaps here? Well, that's interesting, Adam. They don't look too different. But
it's not rubbing.
Yeah, it's making a similar noise, but not rubbing. The pressure just comes off, and it just releases. There isn't a massive difference.
It's probably literally like less than a millimetre, not even a millimetre.
No, I agree. There's no gap there at all.
Yeah, but you can hear it like...
Oh, that's similar. That sounds similar. Right, having discussed it, we looked at both sides. It looks like the safest thing is to get both sides done. It's probably the piston and the caliper that's sticking. And if one side's gone, chances are the other side, this side, is going to be the same, even though it appears all okay and the car's braking fine. So it's a job for the garage. Right, go slowly. Hold on. You watch where you're driving. I'll keep an eye on it. All right, stop. Go forward a little bit. Ah, stop. Yep. The heat, I think, that tyre's no longer round. Go round, go slow. Yeah, the tyre.
That's why I was wobbling when I was going at high speed.
Yeah, the tyre is actually warped. The heat has warped the tyre. Yeah, it freewheels okay. And the only problem at the moment is the tyre's not round. Oh dear. It's warped. No, it freewheels, so it's not seized on at the moment. Your brakes are not seized.
Filming.
We know this tyre is shot, but why don't we just see what the pressure is before we take it off? Oh, it's gone up 1.9. What was it normally? Let's see. This is the other side. This device worked well on my car. 2.1, so it's not much different. Right, it's vitally important you don't drive this car until the tyre's been changed. So we're going to put the spare wheel on. We're very, very careful, aren't we? we're very sensible not to drive this car with this bent wheel or bent tyre. So we're jacking it up. We checked the tyre pressure, lost a bit but not much. One warp bent tyre off, one warp bent tyre wheel off. That's definitely warped. Now spot the difference. This one is the normal shape of a tyre, and this one is, we've got like a rounded shape. So if you look round,
oh yeah,
this is flatter. Then as you get to this bit, it's round and bulged, like a, you know, like an egg. Please look the height. This is this high, and this one is this high, and you can spot. And as you go round, now it's nearly the same height. But then when you get round to here, it's about an inch higher. Right, so we put a nice good tyre on, spare. They may be able to repair it because it does. It turns freely, and the discs are quite new still, so we might get away with a repair kit. On the other hand, they might want to replace the whole caliper. It'll be interesting to find out. So, good spare on. The profile on the other tyre is perfect. And now the profile on this tyre is the same. Right, so we should see 2.3 here. Look at that. Oh, 2.32. Oh, so close. We'll just check the pressure. And it's 2.37. Oh, God. Just check the pressure. 2.34. 2.3. Look. We're test driving the vehicle. Yeah, it seems very good. There's no problem. There's no horrible sounds, and there's no bumpiness other than the road. And yeah, I think we're okay. We're going to the garage because that's the same place I get my hair cut. And it's a dry run because it's another week before we get the tyre looked at, and the brakes, of course. Okay, great. Well, yeah, and the wheel's cold. So that's going fine at the moment. So that's safe for low distance, small distances, and that'll be all right to get to the garage.
Yeah. I mean, you feel it's tight? Yeah, it's fine.
Right, I'm here. Should be around any minute. It's raining. Hopefully, this won't take long. The car's been running fine all week, so short journey's never been a problem. We'll just see what happens now. So we're looking to get the 2 front tyres and then the calipers or whatever, the brake pads. We'll see what they say. Just to recap, it's been fine all week, hasn't it, Adam?
Yeah, it's been fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's been
So we want 2 front tyres, yes, and we want the back brakes checked.
We want that tyre replaced. That one needs to be replaced.
Oh, that one needs to be replaced as well. Okay, let's go and see it. There it is. And it's got pride of place. It's fixed. What was wrong with it?
Well, nothing wrong was wrong with it in the end.
What? Nothing wrong with the brakes?
Yeah.
Oh, we've got something here.
Yeah,
That's the tyres.
To do with the tyres, I think.
What's that bit? Night something.
So this is nitrogen, wheel balance, and the waste of the actual old tyres, fit valve, wheel balance. Yeah.
Oh, so that's basically pumping
That's
the
basically
tyres.
little part of the tyres. All this one here.
Oh, right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it must be because that's how much I paid.
I think it's booked in for the front was getting a bit hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's no signs of it at all, he said. He took off the wheels to make sure.
Yeah.
He couldn't find nothing at all. And
Right.
he says there's no signs of it getting hot or anything.
No,
that you
no,
could
no.
see,
You've
nothing.
been driving it since it got, so just don't.
It might just be a case if it was you're braking a bit and it got just a bit hot in general.
That's what I thought.
okay.
That's
Yeah.
what I thought.
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
They can pay you for a lunch. Really.
Thanks. What a good idea. Thanks very much. Yeah, we'll go there. Thanks. Just to recap, he's got new tyre here. Let's just check what your mother said. There's a new tyre there, and then you got. That must be. Is that the Goodyear? What makes that? That might no. That's the one you must have got changed last time. Then round here. Is that the Goodyear?
It must be.
It must be the Goodyear. Somewhere it says Goodyear. It's got GP. Oh no, you never had a Goodyear.
No, I didn't have a good year.
You had no Goodyears. And what about your and the spare is back on there, yeah? Oh, ouch. Yeah, you got the spare.
Yeah, it's there.
The spare's there.
Yeah.
And just to recap,
Yeah.
there was nothing wrong with the brakes.
Well, nothing was wrong with the brake.
So I'm pleased about that. Nothing wrong with the car's brakes, purely down to overheating. So that's it, car's fine. Cheers.